Hello everyone! For tonight ay magluluto ako ng moringa leaves with chicken breast. First, boil the water and put the ginger. Add the ginger or luya. Tapos, we can add now the red onions. Ayan. Tapos, i-mix lang natin siya ng bonggang-bongga. Maganda po to sa cold weather. Ayan. Tapos, takpan lang natin siya. Ayan, nagbo-bold na siya, guys. Tapos, lagyan natin yung chicken natin, which is I use the chicken breast. Tapos, there you go, our chicken breast. Ayan, puting-puti. By the way, guys, ayan, i-mix lang natin siya na mabuti to. I-add natin yung cherry tomato natin. That's the cherry tomato. I-add natin ng bonggang-bonga. Tapos, nilalagyan ko din siya ng bell pepper. Bell pepper. Tapos, lagyan din natin siya ng spring onions. Ayan. Guys, homemade ko lang to. So, it depends on you kung gusto nyong gayahin or not. Ito yung mga ingredients natin, guys. Ayan. Minimix ko lang siya ng mabuti. Ang ginaw-ginaw ngayon, guys. So, hopefully it will be nice. Tapos, we can add now the moringa leaves or kalamunggay. Ayan. Ilalagay natin siya. Ay, ang konti lang, lagyan pa natin ng marami para ang saya-saya. Ayan, there you go, guys. Ito yung moringa leaves na tinatawag in English pero kalamunggay or kamunggay sa Filipino. Ayan. Ay, ba't ko ba minimix? You don't need to mix it, guys. Just cover that and then later on, makikita natin kung lutong-luto na siya. By the way, I already added salt and pepper and also a bit of soy sauce kaya parang brown yung niya, tubig. Here you go, guys. Our chicken soup with moringa leaves. It's healthy, good for our health. This is our chicken soup. There you go, chicken, some ginger. It's good in this cold weather, guys. Wala na pong summer, so give me that time. And it's healthy. And it's healthy, guys. And here you go, guys. I think it's nearly done. Here you go. My moringa leaves soup with chicken breast. Enjoy, guys, especially in this cold weather. Happy Wednesday night, everyone. God bless. Take care. See you later.